Reconstructed from ancient Sanskrit texts, Vedic mathematics approaches arithmetic through natural mental patterns rather than rigid rules. This 10-point circle maps the relationship between numbers, identifying specific patterns that naturally form a whole. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5 all fit together to create a 10. The problem 10 for 4 plus 26. Recognizing the 4 and 6 as a 10 pair simplifies the math. By adding the 10 to the 40 provided by the tens column, the problem resolves into 50 without need to carry any numbers. When numbers don't perfectly align, break them apart to create a 10. Look at 38 plus 5. 38 is too short of the next 10. Borrow 2 from the 5 to reach 40, the remaining 3 added to land on 43. This logic also applies to long columns of figures. Conventional teaching suggests adding in a linear top to bottom sequence. Scanning for pairs is more efficient. The 6 and 4 form a 10, the 7 and 3 form another 10. Adding the leftover 2 gives 22. Grouping numbers into tens reduces the amount of data you have to track at once, turning a 5-step addition into 2 simple blocks. Numbers just below a multiple of 10 are easily handled by rounding to a base. In 54 plus 39, treat 39 as 40 minus 1. Adding 40 brings the total to 94. Subtract the extra 1 added to find the true answer 93. Try using the overshoot method for 66 plus 19. Jumping to the nearest 10 gives you 86 and final one-step adjustment lands on 85. Subtraction follows the same logic. Requiring a direction adjustment, take 61 minus 38, drop back by 40 units, landing on 21 because we subtracted 40 instead of 38. We removed 2 too many, add those 2 back to arrive at 23. This keeps the math manageable. When you remove too much from the total, you simply put the difference back on to restore the balance. We can apply this drop and add logic to a problem. Like 81 minus 58 dropping 60 brings the total to 21. And connecting by adding back the 2 units results in 23. The process relies on 3 steps. First, scan for the perfect 10 pairings. Second, overshoot to the nearest 10 for awkward numbers. Third, adjust for the difference. Recognizing these structural relationships between numbers allows for complex values to be break down into these manageable, predictable patterns. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.